Your vehicle is equipped with a number of seat features to make your drive more enjoyable. If equipped, the power front seat controls are located on the outboard side of each seat, which can be moved forward or rearward by moving the seat switch in the desired direction, or up and down by moving the rear of the switch. To tilt the front of the seat cushion up or down, pull or push the front of the switch in the desired direction. For better leg support, use the cushion extender switch to move only the seat cushion forward or backward. The seat back switch controls the recline angle of the seat back, and the lumbar switch will increase or decrease lumbar support and can be moved up or down. If equipped with this switch, the back bolsters can also be adjusted. If equipped with manual front seat controls, move the seat forward or rearward by pulling up on the bar under the seat. On models with manual height adjustment, pump the lever up multiple times to raise the seat to the desired position, or pump down to lower the cushion. Your vehicle is also equipped with a rear seat easy entry feature on the front seats, allowing for improved access to the rear seats. To operate the rear seat easy entry for power seats, pull up on the strap located on the back of the driver or passenger seat, just below the headrest. Rotate the seat back forward, and the seat will automatically begin to move forward. To return the power seat to its original position, rotate the seat back rearward until it relocks, and the seat will automatically move back to its previous position. If your vehicle does not have power seats, you can still pull the strap to unlock the recliner, but you must then push the seat forward and back manually. The front seat head restraints may be fixed or adjustable. Two-way adjustable headrests can be raised by simply pulling up on the headrest, or lowered by pushing the adjustment button at the base of the restraint and then pushing down on the headrest. The available heated and ventilated front seats can be controlled with the buttons on the touchscreen. Pushing the heated seat button multiple times will switch from high to medium to low to off. Pushing the ventilated seat button works the same way. If the two rear seats are heated, they can be operated independently with switches on the rear of the center console. The electric motor must be running to operate heated and ventilated seats. On vehicles equipped with driver memory settings, the position of the power driver seat, along with side mirrors, radio presets, and more, can be saved to a memory setting by pushing the S button on the driver's door, then pushing one of the memory buttons. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.